So, so let's start with factorization, sheet of factorization. And the first question is factorize the following expression by taking out the highest common factor HCF or by grouping terms. Okay. By taking out the HCF, we have to factorize them. Okay. Okay. What is the HCF of 12 and 36? It will be 12 only, right? 12. Okay. Because 36 and 12, both of them goes in 12. So the HCF of 36 and 12 is 12. Okay. So take 12 common then. Simple term. We can write as 12x as 12 into x plus 12. Okay, 12 3 is 36, right? Now, taking out 12 common, what will be left over? X plus 3. This is next. 22 and 33. Both of them goes in 11 table. So 22 can be 10 as, or first let us simple 11 into 2 into 5. See, by seeing the numbers only we can understand that in which table they are going. Okay. It's not like you just have to simplify this. Like for 12 also, say for 12, can go in some other way. So your last minus 33 can be as 3 into 11 into 1 into Z. Z. Now the common thing is 11. If you take out 11 common, what is left over? 2 into y. 2 into y is what? 2y minus Z, right? So 3 into that is 3z. Because here leftover thing is 3 and z. Here leftover thing is 2 and y, right? As I in multiplication, directly correct as 3. This is mentioned. Coming up to this one, 14 and 35. See, 14 and 35, 14 goes in 7 table and 35 also goes in 7 table, right? Okay. So 7 2s are into PQ plus 7 5s are into, because 7 5s are 35, right? 35 here we are into. See, here PQ and PQ are common, right? So I'm writing PQ as it is, separating it. Now say 7 7 common. PQ and PQ here are common. So if I take 7 PQ common here, so what are you? 7 PQ into what is the leftover part? 2 is leftover if I let this thing here, right? So the leftover is again this thing. See what is left? 2 plus 5 into x, 5 into r. What is 5 into 5? Okay, like this. We go for this in the same way. Now, say till now the problems which we have done they were a bit different. Here we have small change. Okay. Now say here. Now we'll try to make a group. As we are having 4 terms, we'll try to make a group and we'll try to take the terms common. Okay. Now we'll make the first two number as first group and the last one last. Okay. So x square plus xy plus 8 x plus 8y. So now say here, x square plus xy. X square plus xy is how what we can take common? X square by what I can just write as x square can be written as x into x, correct? X into x. Okay. Now have it. From here, if you take x and x common, okay, what is the left part? X plus y plus If you take 8 common, clearly we can see 8 is common both of them. So 8 into x plus 5. Again, we got an expression here. Here, again, we are having a common term x plus y. So what I will do? We just have to take a common term. X plus y, if I take common, what is the leftover part? If I take this to common, the leftover part is x plus 8. X plus 8, right? This is the answer. Now, see, next one. Here also, same. Make a group 15xy minus 6x. Okay, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Okay, so say 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. In 5 and 2, there is nothing with this common, right? So what we'll do, we'll keep them as this. Okay? And say here, from here we can take 3 common, and both of them are containing steps. So it's also 3 and x. Always remember, if I take 2 terms common in the factorization, they should be in multiplication. Okay? As here, I have taken 3 as well as I have taken x also common with it, right? 3 and x as I was taking common. So I kept 3 into x, okay? They both will be multiplied. And the leftover part is 15y minus 6, okay? Now, here, from here, I took 6 common. Sorry, I mean 3 common and x also common I took, right? So the leftover part after this, what we can have a look now. So 15 I have written as 3 into 5. 6 was there, I have written it as. So if I taking 3 and x as common, here the leftover part is y, pi into y, 5y, okay, minus as this. Now 2 and x, sorry, 2 and nothing is left over, right? So 5y minus 2, okay. From here, 5 and y are left, so 5y minus 2 is left, so I have put it plus. Here there is nothing common between 5y and 2, right? You write it as 5y minus 2 only, and I'll take 1 common. If there is, see, if you're not getting any common term, okay, so always you have to make it as 1, means 1 will become your common term. So now what is leftover part? Now, if you have a look here, you can see there are two terms. We are having a common term again, right? 5y minus 2, if I take common, the leftover part is 3x plus 1. That's okay. So this was coming to the next one, using algebraic identities. So let us write formulas here. A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2a minus b whole square. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2a. A square minus b square. Okay. A square minus b square plus a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now have it. Here, see, if all the terms are common, if there are 3 terms and all of them are common, try to apply this formula. Okay. Okay. If we are having 3 terms and all of them are common, okay, that is a quadratic equation in 3 terms where all the terms are common, then try to apply this formula. Say here each and every term you can see are positive. Okay. Whereas in the second one, all of them are not all of them are not positive. Okay. There is one negative term. And same goes for the third term. See. Okay. So in that case, if you're seeing all the 3 terms as positive, try to go for a plus b whole square. Now, a plus b whole square, how a square they are having, okay. How many square terms actually? We need 2 square terms, right? Plus 8, I'll keep it as it is. 16, I have written as a square of 4. We got a square plus b square we got. Now, we have to write this one. See here, a square. So If a square is there, then what will be a? A only. If you're having 4 square, then the value of b will become 4. Okay. Now, a and 4 we are having. So now that is 4 square plus 8a. How I can write 8 means here from here 2 into the value of a is 8 into ab, right? So 2 into 8, what value of b is 4. 4. Understood? See, first of all, find out the square terms. A is one square term and 16 is one square term, right? 16 can be written as 4 square. Okay. And now the value, this will become your A and B. From this, you just have to write 2 into whatever value you got, A and 4. Suppose you got here A square plus 8 square. So directly you just have to write 2 into A into 8. That's it. Okay. Right. Right. Now, next. Here, do we see three terms? No. Then absolutely. If we are not able to see three terms, okay, if there are no three terms, okay, two separate terms, quadratic equation. So if they are not three terms, then directly try to go for this side. Don't go for this two and try to go for this one. Okay? Because in the second one, you can see we have only two terms, right? So, say, first of all, do we have all square numbers? If you see them clearly, 49 can be written as 7 square and y square will be as minus 1. 1 is the square of itself, right? 1 square. Now, uh, see, I can write this as 7 by whole square. Always remember this property. Okay? Here, m square or a power m, okay, into b power m. If the terms are having same power, they can be multiplied. The bases can be multiplied and kept under the same power. Okay? So we have to keep them same power. 7 and 5, both the bases are having same power, right? So I'm taking them under square and I'm writing like this. Now, if you clearly see they are in the form of a plus a square minus b square form there. So value of a here is the value of a is 7y. The value of b is 1. So a plus b means 7y plus 1 into 7y minus 1. Try to understand this. I will again see here both the terms are in form of a square minus b square. The first term is a, right? So 7y is the value of a and 1 is the value of b. Okay, again, like that. In this way, I think better you can understand. Okay, here 1 is your value of b. Now, next one. Here again we are having three terms, but here all the three terms are what? They are not positive, right? There is a negative term. Means if there is a negative term, only single negative term, you have to apply a minus b whole square formula. Okay, you have to apply which formula? A minus b whole square. So now same thing. Square terms 5 square plus 25. Here I got one square term because here I got a square plus b square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So a square I got b square. B square. Now, again, I need one more square term because here having a square plus b square. Two square terms are now. What's the next square term is 25. 25 and plus 5 minus 2 into what are the terms here? Why are taking 2? Because in the formula we are having 2, right? 2 will be as it is. Okay. Now, whatever terms here we are having, just write e into 5. That's it. This is your answer. Okay. Uh, for the so you can write this as this is nothing but this is the form of a minus b whole square form, right? A minus b whole square means what is the value of a here? The value of a is b and the value of b is 5, right? So the value of a is b and the value of b is 5. So b minus 5 whole square. That's here also. Here also, if you see, The value of A is A. This is in the form of A plus B whole square, correct? So A, the value of B is 4. Now they're in the form of A plus B whole square. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. Now again, if you'll see, we are having two terms. It means which formula? A minus B whole square formula, definitely. Now, 16. Always remember, try to convert the square terms. Convert the given number into square terms. 16 can written as 4 square, x square will be as this, minus 81 is 9 square and y square. Same, if the bases are having same power, multiply and take them under same power. 4x, 4 into x is nothing but 4x square minus 9 into y is 9y square. Okay. Now, 3. Again, this is the value of a and the value of. So what will be the answer now? 4 plus 9y into 4 minus 9. These are the two values. 4x into 9 by 4y into 9. L square minus m square, right? What is what? Now here, same thing. L square minus m minus m whole square. Okay. How can we write this one? Same. The value of a here is n. The value of b is m minus n. Now here, if you see the value of b is m minus n, the value of a is n. Same. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. Correct? So a plus b into a minus b means a plus b. Okay. Into a minus b. If you are having more than one term, always try to keep a bracket for the second term. Like here, the value of b is containing two values, right? Means we are having two terms here. So we have to keep a bracket here. Why? I'll tell you. See, L plus m minus n will be others. Because if we are having positive side, signs won't change. But if we are having negative side and if we open the brackets, now the term will become m minus n, m. This will be. See here, plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is plus. That's okay. Try to understand this part. Brackets more for more than one term is important. Okay. Now, next. Clearly, if you see this one, you can again factorize it as a plus 4, a plus 4, t minus 5, b minus 5. Square terms, just factorize the same as this. Now, next one, having factorize the following quadratic triangle in the form of x square plus a plus okay, like this, in this way. So this is the kind of interesting and the most important question. Okay, what do you have to do here now? X square will be x. Or I'll start like this. So that will be better. Now multiply the first and the last term. Okay. See, whenever you are having the terms kind of this form, okay? So try to go with this method. Or if you have seen the above here, we were able to see the square terms, right? Where we can take the terms. Here also we were having quadratic equation of trinomial terms, but here we were having square terms as well. We were having two square terms, so that we can take them in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b square. But here there is no such case, right? We are not having square terms, okay? More than one, right? So try to go in this way. Or clearly, as the question also they've been mentioning this way, possible. So you can understand. However, if you're getting these type of questions, always remember steps will be same. Step one, try to multiply first and the last time. And now you have to factorize 6. Factors of 6. So you have to find the factor of 6 such that whenever we multiply them, we should get 6 and whenever we have to add them, we should get 5. What are the factors of 6? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Right? That's it. So tell me, 1 and 6, whenever we'll add 1 and 6, will they give us 5? 1 plus 6 is 7. No, they are not giving us 5. Whenever we'll add 2 and 3, would they give us 5. Yes, they will definitely give us 5. So, and whenever we're multiplying, they're giving us 6. So here, understand this part that 2x and 3x, if we take both of them, whenever we'll add them, it's giving us 5x. When multiplying, again, it's giving us 6x. Okay? And both of them should be positive. Then only we'll get 6x squared and 5x. So I can write here now x squared plus, I can split this 5x as 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay? And now, see, again, x squared. Now, the same thing. What we have to do, make a group of the terms now. Group of terms. This two and this two. So what you will get now? We make a group, and now if we go for it, see, from these two we can take x common. So if we take x common, x plus 2 will be left, plus from these two, I can take 3 common. From 3x and 6, I can take 3 common, right? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now, if you'll see in both of them, x plus 2 and x plus 2 are the common terms. So take x plus 2 common and x plus 3 common. Okay, like this. Same here also. Multiply the first and the last term, see what you're going to get. 12 y squared minus 7. Factors of 12. What are factors of 12? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Okay, right? So if you will see, if 3 and 4 are a combination where if we multiply them, it will give us 12. And if we add them, it will give us 7. But now there is a bit change here. See what we want, minus 7y. So minus 3x and minus 7y, both of them will combine and give us minus 7. So minus, sorry, y squared minus, always remember, try to write the bigger value first, and minus 3y. Okay, it's y, by the way. So that's 3y. And plus 2y, right? So same group of 2. From here, always, mostly from the first term, you can, variable will be common. Okay, from here I can take y common. So if I take y common, what is the leftover part? From y square, if I take y common, y square, y into y, right? If I take y common, so what will be left over? Y, right? Y minus 4, because again, I have taken y common. Okay, from these two terms, I can take 3 common, 3 ones are 3. Okay, I take 3 common, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 2. Now again from here, okay, oh, right. Now have a look. Here, we also have to include the minus sign. Okay? Minus sign, if we include, no, if we are taking 3 common, we'll get a wrong answer. Actually, we have to take, see, here in the second group, if the first term is negative, try to take the negative number common. Means, try to take minus 3 common. Okay, because here we are having the first term as minus 3. Right? So minus 3. So minus 3 ones are 3, right? Okay, and yeah, minus 4. Okay, here as the first term was negative, so what I have to take here, minus 3 I'm taking common. If I take minus 3 common, y will be left over and minus 3 into 4 will give plus 2. Like, so, see, what is the leftover part? It's a common part, again, right? Y minus 4 is common and y minus 3 is left over. This, so we check. And the same goes for the all, same goes for this. I'll just write the answers. So 12, right? The factors of 12 getting 4 minus, right? What will be the factors? 6 and 2. Z square minus 6z plus 2 minus 2. Okay? Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 6 into minus 2 into, sorry, plus 2 into minus 6 into minus 2. So, what answer you get? Z minus 6. And from here you can take 2 common, right? Z minus 2 Z minus 6, Z minus 2. From here, 24. Factors of 24. So, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 6. M square plus 8m plus 3m plus 24. So, m plus 8, yeah, from here, m plus 3. This is the answer. Okay. What will get 5 square minus 5p plus 2p. 5 minus 2 minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3p. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 7. So p minus 5 to p minus 2 will be the answer. So that's it.